Struggling with dark spots? Tired of using expensive products that don't work? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful home remedies that will help you get rid of dark spots naturally and give you clear, even skin right at home. And the best part, these remedies use simple kitchen ingredients, no harsh chemicals, just natural goodness. Stay till the end because I'll be revealing one secret tip that can prevent dark spots from coming back. Let's get started. Remedy number 1, lemon and honey glow booster. Why it works. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which brightens skin. Honey is a natural moisturizer and healer. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it directly to dark spots using a cotton ball. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 times a week for best results. Caution: if you have sensitive skin, dilute lemon juice with water before applying. Remedy number 2, aloe vera and cucumber hydration mask. Why it works. Aloe vera reduces pigmentation and heals the skin. Cucumber soothes and hydrates, giving an even skin tone. How to use. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with half a cucumber. Apply a thick layer on the affected area. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Repeat daily for glowing skin. This is perfect for people with dry or sensitive skin. Remedy number 3, turmeric and yogurt brightening mask. Why it works. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory that fades dark spots. Yogurt has lactic acid, which exfoliates and brightens. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply evenly on your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Use twice a week for a natural glow. This mask also helps reduce acne scars. Remedy number 4, potato juice spot treatment. Why it works. Potatoes contain enzymes that lighten pigmentation naturally. How to use. Grate half a potato and extract the juice. Apply the juice with a cotton pad on dark spots. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. Use daily for faster results. This is a great remedy for stubborn sunspots and acne scars. Remedy number 5, coconut oil and vitamin E overnight repair. Why it works. Coconut oil deeply hydrates and repairs the skin. Vitamin E speeds up skin renewal. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 vitamin E capsule. Apply gently before bedtime. Leave it overnight and wash off in the morning. Repeat daily for smoother, brighter skin. This works best as an overnight treatment. Secret tip: how to prevent dark spots. Avoid direct sun exposure. Always wear sunscreen. Stay hydrated and eat vitamin-rich foods. Exfoliate once a week to remove dead skin cells. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next video. Stay glowing.